Now let's turn our attentions to the weather. Susan Powell has joined me. Hello.
Good afternoon. After yesterday's showers, Jane, we're enjoying much more sunshine across the UK today. And certainly our weather watchers have been out and about catching some of the autumn glory. Beautiful picture here from Derbyshire just this morning. And if we take a look at the satellite picture, you can see where we sit currently, the area of cloud that brought us showers yesterday away to the east, another area of cloud out to the west. But for this afternoon, we will stay with the clearer skies, and it's a fine picture for the coming hours with some pretty widespread sunshine, just some patchy hazy cloud drifting in further west, a lighter breeze than we've had in recent days, and it stays mild, highs of 13 or 14 degrees. But we must cast our eye to the west because this weather system will start to move in as we move through this evening and overnight. There could be some pretty wet weather for a time. The rain initially into Northern Ireland through the evening, briefly glancing across Wales and into northern England, and then surging into southern and eastern Scotland by the end of the night. A dry story further south, however, a mild night pretty much across the board, perhaps just a little chillier with clearer skies to the far northeast of Scotland. A wet start for northern England and for many parts of Scotland, but through the morning even, much clearer conditions starting to push their way north across the UK. A much drier story by lunchtime for Wales and northern England. For Northern Ireland and Scotland, a largely dry afternoon. Quite a bit of cloud and murk hanging around the misty, foggy scenes, but mild up to 17 perhaps around the Moray Firth, up to 16 in Belfast. And certainly for the next few days, the weather will definitely stay on the mild side. The change for the end of the week is that things will begin to settle down. So instead of seeing weather fronts getting thrown at us by areas of low pressure, high pressure will start to build across us from the continent, blocking those fronts from coming in, making for a lot of dry weather, but also kind of locking things down, if you like. So the story, I think, particularly as we go through the weekend and on into next week, will be of areas of lingering cloud and some stubborn patches of fog. Could see some lingering murk around on Thursday, actually, across a central swathe of England and down into the southwest. Some rain just glancing into Northern Ireland and western Scotland, but some decent sunshine around for the northeast of Scotland and for the southeast of England. And again, 17 degrees, about 7 degrees above average for this time of year. We'll manage to hold on, I think, to the milder weather into the early part of the weekend. But then come next week, we're going to start to pick up a little bit more of an easterly breeze. Combine that with some lingering cloud and a few stubborn patches of fog. And next week, things could be looking rather more on the grey side, despite being dry, and feeling a little bit chillier than we've been used to of late. Jane.
All right, Susan, thanks very much. Thank you.